Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video entire plastic watercrafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, weavers, entire plastic bottle ideas, and cut the top part of a plastic bottle and decorate it with paint. But hope you can make flower shape on the edge for a beautiful look. Use it as a wall for real or artificial flowers, perfect for table decoration, hanging plant spot, cut a bottle side and make two small holes for rock, fill it with soil or small plants, hang it on a balcony or wall to create a mini garden, great for small space. A bottle lamp or lantern, cut patches into the bottle and place lights inside. You can paint the bottle with soft colors or designs at night and create a warm glowing lights, beautiful for bedrooms or outdoor decoration. Pencil holder, cut the bottle to a short size, decorate using paper, fabric, paint, and eyes or cartoons face for kids. Study table, easy and useful, recycling craft and weavers.
अभी कौन आया था जब गेट बजा था?
And friends,
गेट
flower wall decoration, cut the button
Mafia
part
नहीं
of many bottles. This piece already look like a flower shape. Paint them its bright color and stick them on a wall board, perfect for die wall art. But friends, make small hole in the bottle and add wooden spoon or sticks. Fill the bottle with birds seed and hang it on outside. Sparks can see them. Eat it easily. Fun, nature-friendly project. Viewers, decorative candle holder and cut and shape the bottle carefully. Paint with glass color or wall with jute top lasers. LED candles inside for safe decoration.